A very good morning, children. I hope you all are doing well. In previous videos, we have learned basic concepts in geometry, which are point, line, line segment, ray, and intersecting lines. And we have also done exercise 6a. Today we will do exercise 6b. In exercise 6b, we will learn to measure the line segments and to draw the line segments. Children, you can see here, I have a scale with me and it has some markings on it. You can see some lines are here and some lines are on the other side also. And we use this side of scale for measuring. Okay? You can see here numbers also. It is starting from 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. So these are the markings for centimeter. From 0 to 1, we will measure 1 centimeter. From 1 to 2, another centimeter. And from 0 to 2, it will be 2 centimeters. And if we go from 0 to 3, it will be 3 centimeters. So this way, we will use scale to draw a line segment. Okay. You can see some small markings also between 0 and 1. These are for millimeters. 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter. So we will use bigger markings for drawing lines. 0 से स्टार्ट होके अगर हम 1 तक जाएंगे तो ये 1 सेंटीमीटर होगा. 0 से स्टार्ट होके अगर हम 2 तक जाएंगे तो 2 सेंटीमीटर्स मेजर करेगा. अगर 0 से स्टार्ट होके हम 3 तक जाएंगे तो इट विल बी 3 सेंटीमीटर. सेम वे इफ वी स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 0 एंड गो टिल 6, it will be 6 centimeters. Now children, our question is measure and write the length of the following line segments. कुछ line segments आपको given हैं, आपको उनको measure करना है, उनको नापना है और उनकी length बतानी है. And children, for this we will use this scale. To measure this line segment, we will use this scale. You can see 0 on the scale. We will start measuring line from 0. We have to put line of 0 on the first end point. You can see here. And now we will see where is the other end point of this line. And as you can see, it is starting from 0 and the line is ending on 5. You can see here, 5 is written here. So our line segment is of 5 centimeters. So we will write 5 here. So line segment PQ is of the measurement 5 centimeter. And same way you can measure other lines. Now children, we will learn to draw a line segment. And first of all, we will draw a line segment of 5 centimeter. And for this, we will use this scale. And first of all, learn how to hold the scale. You have to put the scale straight on the notebook and hold the scale with your 2 fingers of left hand. You have to hold the scale tightly that it should not move. Now we will put mark on 0. You can see 0 here. First marking on the scale. So we will put a mark here and another mark will be on number 5. You can see number 5 here. We will put mark here like this. And now we will join these two markings. Like this. And now we will name the line segment A, B, and what is the measurement of this line? 5 centimeter. So we will write here 5 centimeter. Now let's take another example. Draw a line segment of 3 centimeters. Again we will use scale for this. And you know how to hold the scale? You have to put your 2 fingers of left hand on the scale, and first of all we will put mark on 0 like this. And where will another mark come? We have to draw line segment of 3 centimeters, so we will put another mark on 3 centimeter. And we will join these markings like this from 0 to 3 centimeter. Now we will remove the scale and name this line segment. Let's name it PQ. And you know it, we name the line segments with capital letters only. And what is the measurement of this line segment? 3 centimeter. So we will write 3 centimeter here. So children, that's all for today. Thank you so much.